Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today's video is a comment we received through the website, ShaveNation.com. I'll read it to you. Greetings. I appreciate your videos and your fast and awesome service. I am using a Henson AL13 medium, and for the most part, I really like it. Was glad I bought a sampler pack of blades, as I did not realize that sharper is not always better. Anyway, my only issue is razor clogging. I am rinsing more often than you do, and it appears to me I have less beard growth than many of your 2-day shaves. Rinsing the razor pretty much takes hot water to get it clean before the next pass. I am using Captain's Choice sandalwood. Any tips for improving this, or is there better safety razors for clogging? Rich. I think I mentioned this once or twice before. If your razor isn't rinsing thoroughly enough or quickly enough to your liking, check your flow. What do I mean by that? I mean your faucet, the aerator on your faucet. The aerator is the little screen and the little adapter fitting that screws into the bottom of your faucet where the water comes out. If it's coming out very slowly, guess what? Your razor's not going to rinse unless you use really hot water and shake it and move it, and it's going to be a little bit trying. It won't be easy. Most faucets you can unscrew the aerator, and normally you'll see a couple little stones stuck in there, some sand, some sediment from the water, some iron particles, minerals, what have you. Remove that screen, rinse it out, maybe take a soft bristle brush and brush it, and then reinstall it, and then check your flow. And that water is going to be coming out much quicker. If it's not, I came across this handy little device. It's like a 180 swivel type, 360 swivel type device that you remove the aerator, you screw this right onto the bottom of your faucet, and what it does, it increases the flow. I think the restriction is not as high as probably what you had in the past, and it allows a little bit more water flow. Also, this device, you're able to flip it from spraying straight down to spraying upward. So you can actually turn it upward like a drinking fountain. When you brush your teeth, you don't have to bend your neck. It's hard for you to get your head under the faucet. You don't have to deal with that anymore. Just twist it straight up, turn the water on gently, not full blast or it's going to spray, but turn it on gently, and then just treat it like a drinking fountain. You can rinse out your mouth, brush your teeth. If it's easier for you to shave with it upwards, you can rinse your razor with it facing upwards. Nice and easy. So that's it. Little swivel adapter that screws right onto the bottom of your faucet. I'll put a link under the video where it says more or show more if you want to pick one of these up, and you just click on that link. It'll take you right there. You can pick it up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 500 videos, shaving, and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.